So hey everyone, and in this video we are going to start with the introduction to MERN stack. So I welcome you all to a very exciting journey, and trust me, this is going to be the best decision of your web development journey, because currently MERN stack is the thing which you need. So let's begin. So the first question is, what is MERN stack? So the MERN stack is a popular framework. It's actually a combination of four things: MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. It's popular for its flexibility, as developers can use JavaScript throughout the entire development stack. Yes, you heard me right. JavaScript is the one thing which you would need at least to become a MERN stack developer. So it's well suited for building modern, efficient, and scalable web applications with seamless integration between the front-end and back-end components. Now, MERN stack is made up of four things, that is MongoDB, Express, React, and Node.js. So when these four technologies are used together, they form a cohesive and end-to-end solution for building modern web applications. Here's how they work together in the MERN stack. So Node.js serves as the runtime environment for server-side JavaScript, allowing the development of backend logic using JavaScript. Express.js, it is a web application framework that simplifies the process of building robust and scalable APIs in Node.js, making it easier to handle HTTP request, routing, and middleware. MongoDB is used as a database to store and retrieve data in a flexible and scalable manner, with a focus on accommodating dynamic and evolving data structures. React is used on the front end to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces. It allows developers to build reusable UI components and efficiently manage the state of the application. Now let's explore them one by one. So what is MongoDB? MongoDB is a popular NoSQL, that is not only SQL, database management system that is designed to store, manage, and retrieve data in a flexible and scalable manner. Here are the key aspects of MongoDB. So MongoDB is a type of NoSQL database, meaning it does not use traditional relational database management system RDBMS structure. Instead, it stores data in a flexible JSON-like format called as BSON, that is binary JSON. MongoDB is document oriented, that is data in MongoDB is stored in the form of documents which are similar to JSON objects. These documents can contain various types of data, including arrays and other documents. This flexibility allows developers to work with data in a way that closely mirrors the structure of their application code. Scalable. So MongoDB is designed to be horizontally scalable, meaning it can handle an increasing amount of data by adding more servers to a database cluster. This makes it suitable for applications with rapidly growing datasets. Dynamic schema. So MongoDB is a schema-less, meaning there is no rigid structure that data might adhere to. This flexibility is beneficial for projects where the data structure evolves over time, and it allows developers to work with diverse and changing data. MongoDB is expressive query language. That is, MongoDB uses a rich and expressive query language which supports a wide range of queries. This makes it easy to retrieve and manipulate data in meaningful ways. MongoDB gives high performance. MongoDB can perform high performance both read and write operations. It uses indexing to speed up queries, and it supports featuring like sharding to distribute data across multiple servers for improved performance and reliability. Now let's look at some benefits of MongoDB. So number one, flexibility. MongoDB's flexible schema allows developers to work with data in a way that aligns closely to the structure of their application. MongoDB is scalable. That is, MongoDB is horizontally scalable, enabling it to handle increased loads and growing data sets by distributing data across multiple servers. MongoDB is designed for high performance, supporting efficient indexing and proving fast read and write operations. MongoDB is designed for high performance, supporting efficient indexing and providing fast read and write operations. The JSON-like document structure and expressive query language made MongoDB developer friendly. Developers can work with data in a way that feels it natural and is easy to understand. MongoDB has a large and active community and it's widely used in the industry. This results in robust ecosystem of the tools, libraries, and resources that developers can leverage. MongoDB is well structured for modern application development, including projects involving real-time data, Internet of Things, and mobile applications. MongoDB's support for nested arrays and documents allows for representation of complex data structures, making it suitable for a variety of cases. In summary, MongoDB is a versatile NoSQL database that offers flexibility, scalability, and high performance, making it a popular choice for a wide range of applications and industries. Now let's look at React.js. So React.js is commonly known as React. It is an open source JavaScript library developed by Facebook for building user interfaces or UI components, particularly for single page applications where you need dynamic, interactive, and responsive user interfaces. React allows developers to create reusable UI components and manage the state of application efficiently. Here are the key aspects and benefits of React.js. So React.js follows a component-based architecture. That is, React is based on component-based architecture. Components are reusable, self-contained units that represent different parts of user interfaces. This promotes modular and maintainable code. For example, you want to build a navigation bar. So you would just build a component of navigation bar and you can use it in every page you want. Number 2, declarative syntax. React uses a declarative syntax, meaning you describe how you want your UI to look, and React takes care of updating the code UI to match the description. This is in contrast to an imperative approach where you specify detailed steps for how UI should change. Number 3, virtual DOM. So React uses virtual DOM to optimize updates to the actual DOM, that is document object model. The virtual DOM is a lightweight copy of the real DOM, and React compares it with a previous version to determine the most efficient way to update the UI. Number 4, JSX. So JSX stands for JavaScript XML. This is an extension for JavaScript that looks similar to the XML or HTML. It allows you to write code in HTML-like elements and components in a JavaScript file, making the code more readable and expressive. Number 5, unidirectional data flow. React follows a unidirectional data flow. Data in a React application follows in a single direction from the parent component to the child component. This makes it easier to understand and debug the state of your application. Number 6, reusable components. React promotes the creation of reusable components which can be composed to build complex UIs. This reusability leads to more efficient development and easier maintenance. Number 7, React Native. So React can be used for mobile app development, that is not only just web development but also for mobile app development for Android and iOS through React Native. With React Native, you can use React.js to build native mobile apps for iOS and Android platforms. Number 8, large and active community. React has a large and active community of developers. This means a wealth of resources, third-party libraries, and community supports are available, making it easier for developers to find solutions to problems and stay updated with the best practices. Now, what are the benefits of React.js? Number 1, efficient UI updates. The virtual DOM allows React.js to update the UI efficiently by minimizing the number of changes made to the actual DOM. Number 2, reusable components. Components can be reused throughout the application, promoting a modular and scalable code structure. Number 3, declarative syntax. The declarative syntax makes it easier to understand and reason about how the UI should behave. Number 4, React Native for mobile development. React Native allows developers to use React.js to build mobile applications. Number 5, community and ecosystem. The large and active community ensures that there are plenty of resources, libraries, and community support available. Number 6, rapid development. React facilitates rapid development through its component-based architecture, making it well suitable for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces. Number 7, one-way data binding. Unidirectional data flow simplifies data management and reduces the likelihood of bugs related to data synchronization. Number 8, tooling and dev tools. React comes with a set of developer tools that make it easier to inspect, debug, and profile React applications. In summary, React is a powerful and widely used JavaScript library for building user interfaces with a focus on component reusability, efficient updates, and a declarative syntax. Its flexibility and large community makes it a popular choice for modern web development. Now let's talk about Node.js. So Node.js is an open source cross-platform JavaScript runtime environment that allows developers to run JavaScript code server-side. In traditional web development, JavaScript is primarily used on the client side, that is in the web browsers, to create dynamic and interactive user interfaces. However, Node.js enables the execution of JavaScript code on the server side, allowing developers to build scalable and efficient web applications. So here are the key aspects of Node.js. Number 1, JavaScript runtime. So Node.js is not just a programming language, it is a runtime environment. It allows execution of JavaScript code outside of a web browser. Number 2, event-driven and non-blocking I/O. Node.js is designed to be event-driven and non-blocking, meaning it can handle large number of simultaneous connections without waiting for the previous operations to complete. This makes it well suited for building scalable and real-time applications. Number 3, single-threaded asynchronous. Node.js is single-threaded, but it uses an event loop to handle asynchronous operations efficiently. Asynchronous programming in Node.js is crucial for handling a large number of concurrent connections without blocking the execution of other tasks. Number 4, NPM, Node Package Manager. It is the package manager for Node.js. It allows developers to easily install, manage, and share third-party library and tools, making it convenient to work with a wide range of modules and packages. Number 5, V8 JavaScript Engine. Node.js is built on the V8 JavaScript engine, which is also used by Google's Chrome browser. V8 compiles JavaScript code to native machine code, resulting in fast execution. Number 6, server-side development. Node.js is commonly used for server-side development to build web servers, APIs, application programming interfaces, and other networked software applications. Number 7, cross-platform. Node.js is cross-platform, meaning it can run on various operations such as Windows, macOS, Linux. This provides flexibility in deploying and running the Node.js applications. Number 8, large and active community. Node.js has a large and active community of developers contributing to a rich ecosystem of libraries, frameworks, and tools. Number 9, scalability. The event-driven non-blocking architecture of Node.js makes it well suited for handling a large number of concurrent connections, thus making it scalable for applications with high traffic. Number 10, microservices and real-time applications. Node.js is commonly used for building microservices and real-time applications such as chat applications and online gaming platforms, where low latency and high concurrencies are essential. In summary, Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that enables server-side development using JavaScript. It is event-driven and non-blocking architecture. Its event-driven and non-blocking architecture, along with a rich ecosystem of packages, makes it a popular choice for building scalable and efficient web applications. Now let's talk about Express.js. Express.js is a web application framework for Node.js, designed to simplify the process of building robust and scalable web applications and APIs. It is often referred to as the standard server framework for Node.js. Here are the key aspects of Express.js and reasons why it is commonly used in conjunction with Node.js. So number 1, minimalist and flexible. Express.js is minimalist, providing only essential features for building web applications. This simplicity gives developers the flexibility to choose and integrate additional modules and tools as needed. Number 2, routing. Express simplifies the process of defining routes using different HTTP methods, get, post, patch, delete, etc. Developers can define how the application should respond to specific URL patterns and HTTP requests. Number 3, middleware. Middleware functions in Express.js enables developers to perform tasks in request-response cycles such as login, authentication, and data parsing. Middleware functions can be chained together to create a sequence of actions. Number 4, template engines. Express.js also supports various template engines such as EJS, PUG, and handlebars, allowing developers to dynamically generate HTML on the server side. This is particularly useful for rendering dynamic content. Number 5, HTTP utility methods. Express.js provides utility methods for handling common HTTP tasks such as setting headers, redirecting, and handling cookies. These utilities simplify the process of working with HTTP in Node.js. Number 6, static file serving. Express makes it easy to serve static files such as images, CSS, and JavaScript without the need of additional configuration. Number 7, error handling. Express has built-in mechanisms for handling errors, making it easier to manage and respond to errors that may occur during the execution of the application. Number 8, scalability. Express.js is well suited for its building scalable applications. Its lightweight nature and support for middleware makes it adaptable to projects of various sizes and complexities. Now the question arises, why should we use Express.js with Node.js? So number 1, it simplifies HTTP handling. While Node.js itself allows you to handle HTTP requests directly, using Express.js simplifies the process by providing a higher level of abstraction for defining routes and handling HTTP methods. Number 2, middleware for extensibility. So Express middleware system allows developers to extend and customize the behavior of application easily. This promotes modularity and clean code organization. Number 3, community and ecosystem. Express has a large and active community resulting in rich ecosystem of middleware, plugins, and extensions. This community support makes it easier for developers to find solutions to common problems. Number 4, quickly builds APIs. Express is often used to build API due to its simplicity and speed in defining routes and handling JSON data. This is a common use case for building backends for single-page applications and mobile apps. Number 5, industry standard. Express has become a widely adopted and industry standard framework for building Node.js applications. Many developers are familiar with Express, and it is often used in professional settings for its reliability and community support. In summary, Express.js is a framework application for Node.js that simplifies the process of building web applications and APIs. Its minimalist design and routing capability and makes middleware system and community support makes it a popular and powerful choice for developers. So now let's talk about the prerequisite of learning MERN stack. So before diving into MERN stack, it's beneficial to have a solid understanding of certain technologies and concepts. Here are the key prerequisites for learning and working with the MERN stack. Number 1, HTML, CSS. So understanding of HTML for structuring web pages and CSS for styling is fundamental for front-end development with React. Number 2, JavaScript. Proficiency in JavaScript is crucial, and it's the primary language for both front-end, that is React.js, and back-end, that is Node.js in MERN stack. Number 3, JSON. JavaScript object notation is used for data interchange between the server and the client. Understanding how to work with JSON data is important. Number 4, Git and version control. Knowing how to use Git for version control is important, especially when you're working on collaborative projects. Understanding concepts like commit, branches, and merges are important. Number 5, text editors or IDEs. Comfort with a text editor or integrated development environment for writing code is important. Popular choices include Visual Studio Code, Atom, or Sublime Text. So now let's understand how MERN actually works. So the MERN stack is a full stack JavaScript framework that allows developers to build modern web applications. Each component in the stack plays a specific role, and they work together seamlessly to create cohesive and efficient development environment. Here's how the MERN stack works together. Number 1, front end with React.js. So React is responsible for handling the user interface and user experience for the application. It creates a dynamic and interactive front end with reusable components. Number 2, backend with Node.js and Express. So Node.js is used as server-side runtime for JavaScript, and Express.js is a web application framework that simplifies the development or server-side logic and creation of APIs. Express.js is responsible for defining routes, handling HTTP requests and responses, and managing middlewares. It sets up the server and provides a way to interact with the database. Number 3, database with MongoDB. MongoDB is a NoSQL database that is used to store and retrieve data. It works well with Node.js and JavaScript due to its JSON-like document format, BSON, binary JavaScript object notation. MongoDB stores data in collections which contains documents. Now, how does this exactly works? So Express.js running on Node.js communicates with MongoDB database to perform CRUD, create, read, update, delete operations. The data retrieved from the database is often sent to the React frontend in the form of JSON. Connecting the frontend and backend. So React components running on client side make HTTP requests to the Express server. This Express server would bring data from the database to itself, then it would send the data to the frontend, that is React.js. These requests typically include data needed for rendering, updating, and querying the database. Express.js routes handle these requests, interacting with the MongoDB database as necessary. The server then sends back the data or confirmation to React frontend. Then we have state management with React. React manages the state of the application, allowing the developers to control how the UI behaves based on the different conditions and user interaction. For example, if I want to check the user is logged in or not, I would simply send a backend request, and a response I would receive two types of response: user logged in or user not logged in. So suppose in React, if I receive the response user logged in, then at the navigation bar I would show the logout button. But suppose if the user is not logged in, then at the navigation bar of React.js I would show the login sign up buttons. So that's how very basic UI management works, but later on you're going to use a different kind of logics for UI management for different purposes. So state changes can trigger re-renders of React components, ensuring that the UI stays in sync with the application's data and responds to the user input appropriately. Then we have real-time application and WebSockets. In some scenarios, application built with MERN stack may require real-time functionality. WebSockets can implement using libraries like Socket.io, allowing for bi-directional communication between the server and the client. For example, you want to build a chat application like WhatsApp, so you can get real-time messages by simply using Socket.io in backend. Real-time features such as live updates and messaging can be achieved by integrating WebSockets with the MERN stack. So in summary, the MERN stack works by combining the strengths of MongoDB for data storage, Express.js for server-side logic and API development, React for building dynamic and interactive user interfaces, and Node.js as the runtime environment backend. The seamless integration of these technologies allows developers to create a scalable, efficient, full-stack web application. Now, why should we pick MERN? So the benefits of choosing MERN is it's a single language. That means you only use JavaScript here. MERN stack allows you to use JavaScript for both frontend, that is React.js, and backend, that is Node.js. This promotes code consistency and reduces the need to switch between different programming languages. Number 2, reusability of code. React components can be reused across the different parts of your application, enhancing modularity and saving development time. This can lead to more maintainable and scalable code. Number 3, efficient and responsible UI. React's virtual DOM and efficient rendering mechanism contribute to a highly responsive user interface. This is crucial for building modern dynamic web applications. Number 4, real-time applications. MERN stack, especially with the integration of WebSockets, can facilitate the development of real-time application with features like live updates and messaging. Number 5, full stack JavaScript. In your development team, if your development team is already familiar with JavaScript, adopting the MERN stack allows for full stack development using the single language JavaScript, reducing the learning curve for developers. Number 6, rich ecosystem and community. The MERN stack has a large and active community providing a rich ecosystem of libraries, packages, and community support. This can make development faster and troubleshooting easier. Then at the end, we have scalability. So Node.js as a part of MERN stack is known for its scalability and ability to handle large number of concurrent connections. This is particularly beneficial for application with high traffic. This video we are gonna start with the prerequisites of MERN stack. So that's it for today. I will see you in the next one. Till then, see you, have a good day. Bye bye.